Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a face mask, and I'll be doing the coffee face mask. And before I get started, please take a few seconds to push the subscribe button down below, and also please push that bell down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get right into this face mask. These are the things that you're going to be needing. I have everything in front of me. So you're going to be needing a coffee, virgin coconut oil or olive oil, baking soda. You guys know baking soda is like, for me, it's like a miracle product. I don't know, I use it for a lot of stuff. And sugar. So these are the things that you're going to be needing. So I just wanted to show you guys. I'm always looking for new ways to rejuvenate my skin or make my skin feel good in any way natural as possible. So let's get right into it now. So I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of coffee. So here's my spoon. 1 teaspoon of coffee, and I have a bowl in front of me here. I'm going to take a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I have to open this properly. Okay, this much baking soda. I think this should be a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Then I'm taking sugar, also a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and I'm putting that all in the bowl. So as you can see, oh boy, I don't know. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. I'm mixing it all in. Oh my goodness, I love the smell of coffee. Oh my gosh. Then you're going to take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. So I'm putting that in. Then I'm just going to start mixing that all in. Mix. What you can do to make this process easier, you can melt the coconut oil a little bit before you put it in. Amazing. So I'm just going to take that and rub that on my skin like this. So now that I'm done with scrubbing it with the mask, so I'm just going to just wait like a minute or two before you wash that out. This is going to remove, this is a little bit messy guys, this is going to remove all your dead skin make your look, leaves your face looking smooth, beautiful, and yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash this off with lukewarm water, and I'll be right back. So now I'm back and washing my face. My face is so soft, and as you can see, like, this is one of the face masks that you can create at home with a few products. The way it leaves your face looking like smooth and really soft. So that is all about this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this far, and I'm going to let you guys go. But before I let you go, let me know, did you try out this face mask? Did it make your face as soft and smooth as mine, or did you face any other challenges with this mask? And I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys go.